Hi, here is Ziqiang. Today, I want to share my PSA poster. It's about banning on violent video games to children. I chose the black as the main color in my poster. According to the color theory, black is a color that is often used to portray something evil, depressing, scary, and evil death. At the same time, the black color meaning is often negatively charged. Here, I use black because I want to convey a depressed feeling to the audience. At the same time, I also use red and white. These two colors also convey the depressed and scary emotion to audience. In my poster, I used the three images. I chose these three images based on a psychology experiment, bubble door experiment. The first image, the top of right, shows how violent video games impact to the children. According to the experiment result, the children can observe the people's bad behaviors and then learn through observing it. Some children will be indeed able to imitate that behaviors, the top of left. Some of them just learned it, but are not performing, top of right. However, most of family are not paying attention to this, so I want to convey this information to audience. So I show the test performing and not performing in the poster. In addition, I chose other images on the bottom to show my main idea that violent video games are not good for children. At the same time, I put my title in the middle of the poster that can attract the eyes of the audience easily. In my poster, I try to use less text but more pictures because a picture is worth 1,000 words.